visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hello Leo, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for May 1st to May the 7th of 2025 reading. Ayan, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, doon po yun sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Pero kung hindi po kayo makasali sa live sessions, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa ating comment section as long as yung question po is answerable by yes or no. Alright? I want you to know that this reading is a general one. So, pwedeng mag-resonate sa inyo yung buong reading na ito, pwedeng yung konti lamang dahil marami tayong pag-uusapan. Nandiyan po ang finances or wealth, career, and yung job, relationships. So, different aspects. Nandiyan yung mga, ano ba ito? Ang aking bangs. Singles, crushes, no labels or situationship. Nandiyan yung in a relationship or yung mga magjowa, no? Married couple, third-party situations, and kung lalabas yung separated couples. No? So, take what's only yours. Medyo direct, no? Itong ating reading dahil medyo maldita, no? Itong ating oracle cards na gagamitin. So, medyo straightforward, pero magsimula na tayo. So, your card is not everyone else's fault. It's yours. Wow, Leo. I feel like sinasabi dito ng reading na ito is someone has to take responsibility for it. Again, this reading might be directly to you, or this reading might be for your person. You can interchange the roles while we are doing the reading because what I am reading is a dynamic naman, no? Again, it might be for the cross watchers, it might be for you, but let's see kung anong mangyayari dito dahil parang may sinasabi dito na hindi mo dapat tinuturo, no, kung kani-kanino. Either gawa mo to or you still have or you have contributions, no, why these things are happening to you. So stop blaming others for your shit, sabi dito. So parang sinasabi niya na straightforward. Parang wag ang magturo. Well, let's see. Baka naman din meron tayo makita, no, na something to ponder during this reading dahil parang enlightenment na rin, no? With the Hierophant, the Three of Pentacles, and the Ten of Swords. So nakakakita ko dito na parang as of this moment, ngayon pa lang nagsisink in, no, ang mga bagay-bagay. Pwedeng sabihin natin at first because of the heightened emotion, no, nagpadala sa emosyon. Again, it could be your person, pero ngayon medyo meron na realizations kasi with the Three of Pentacles in here signifies about learnings, realizations, decision makings as well, opening your eyes, no, to other ideas, new ideas, widen it, no, your wisdom. But I feel like medyo late na nga ba with the Ten of Pentacles. So I feel like siguro nga nandito yung sinasabi natin nasa huli ang pagsisisi. When it comes to finances or wealth, baka kasi meron tayong mga bagay-bagay na medyo impulsive, no, when it comes to buying. Baka meron tayong at that very moment in time, because of that heightened energy, it could be excitement, um, nagalaw natin yung savings natin. Now we're actually looking forward to sabihin natin mabawi, mabalik, no? Yung mga savings na um, nagalaw natin. It could be your own pera. It could be someone else's pera kung, medyo treasurer tayo or tayo naghahawak ng mga palupagan, no? But I feel like nandito din yung realization of kailangan ko nga ba talaga to or I just want it, no? Is this a necessity or is this just something that siguro kaya ko namang mabuhay nang wala nito, no? When it comes to the career, I feel like meron ditong career or job. Wrong decisions could be that indicates siguro kasi with a higher font, this is a major arcana and that signifies it could be management, it could be someone higher than you, no, supervisors, that probably we felt meron siyang sinabi and parang ang dating sa atin, it was an attack. So, parang gumanti tayo. Dumating dun sa part na na-trigger tayo, siguro it may be a constructive criticism or it could be something for you to what enhance, probably work on more for improvement. But I feel like medyo naging personal para sa atin. With the Ten of Swords, parang sinabi natin, uy, sandali. Parang may point nga din naman. Pero wala na, no? Nakapagbitaw na ako ng salita. Even to a point na pero parang merong nagalit dito, magre-resign na ako. Parang gusto yata sabihin, oh shit, medyo mali yata ang aking decision making when it comes to that. No? When it comes to single, siguro you're also doing some shadow works right now. Probably you just don't know that is part of the shadow works wherein you're talking to yourself. Ako nga ba ang may mali? Sino nga ba ang sino nga ba ang dapat sisihin? May itsura naman ako, no? Meron naman mga lumalapit. Is it me that really choosy? And I think that there's no problem with, again, becoming choosy. Pero ang sinasabi mo dito, ako, parang, ako ba ang may mali? So, siguro nandito tayo sa realization of, siguro kailangan kong baguhin ang mga, kung meron man akong mga ditong checklist or ideal person, no? Medyo siguro, bababaan ko naman ng kaunti lang, no? I'm going to tweak something. Kasi parang wala akong nakikita na potential, no? With crushes, no labels, wow, medyo nandito tayo sa a resettling, no? Before kasi the Ten of Swords in here, parang sinasabi mo, ayoko na. Pero before, it's okay, no? Na hindi umuusad itong relationship, hindi ito napupunta kung saan-saan. You wanted to, sana, magkaroon ng improvement. Pero again, wala nangyayari. So parang sinabi mo dito, I'm going to settle for less. Okay, so given you settled for less, pero nakakakita din ako dito na dumating ka rin sa realization because of the Ten of Swords in here, no, ayoko na. Kung lagi lang ako papaasahin, might as well maghahanap na lang ako ng someone who can reciprocate, no, the emotions or the love that I am giving. So when it comes to in a relationship or married couple, medyo nagsisisi nga ba tayo ngayon sa mga decision makings natin? Parang sinabi natin, uy, parang nakapagmadali ako doon, no? Hindi ko dapat or sana I took time. Baka hindi pa sana ako nagpakasal agad-agad for married couple, no? Third party situation, siguro this is also a realization of sana hindi ako pumasok sa ganito, or sana kung hindi ko to alam, and then nung nalaman ko nandito ako, sana umalis ako agad, no? So there's always sana. Separations, parang ganun din sa married couple, no? Na sana hindi ako nagmadali. Sana pinag-isipan ko lahat ng aking decisions, no? With the Nine of Swords, the World card, and the Two of Swords. So what I am really seeing in here is a separation um, from this energy. The reason why I'm saying energy because we are um, discussing a lot, no, different aspects of your life. Um, it can be an event, it can be a person, it can be a situation. So parang sinasabi dito, ngayon parang nai-stress ako. How can I um, tweak, navigate, no, this situation more in favor of me? Kasi parang hindi ito, parang feeling ko talaga nagkamali ako. So I think that there is realization in here and meron ng embrace, no? And that's what's good about in this scenario is it takes two to tango. And I think that your wisdom in here, the maturity, no, nag-expand. It's growing. Let's clarify the Two of Swords, clarified by the Six of Swords and the Page of Wands. So parang sinabi natin dito, pinapabayaan ko na lang. Pinabayaan ko kasi ngayon I am somehow wanting to go back with the Page of Wands or checking on the person if that is a person. Finance and wealth. So parang ngayon, nasa iyo nga yung bagay na ginamit mo, na binili mo. But when you're looking at your bank account, medyo kinakabahan tayo. Oh my God, paano ko ibabalik ito? And it may take time for me to siguro para mabawi, no? Para mapunan itong mga nagalaw ko, no? So with for careers and job, parang sinabi natin dito, pwedeng iba sa inyo, again, nakapagsalita na. So paano ko babawiin yung sinabi ko? Natatakot na ako ngayon, baka pirmahan na yung resignations ko, no? I may be looking on, syempre, mahirap mabakante, looking on a different job, pero nai-stress ako kasi hindi maganda yung naging impressions and I know merong mali doon sa aking decision makings, no? Singles, crushes, no labels. So medyo nai-stress tayo ngayon. How can we navigate this energy to be in favor of us when it comes to commitment? No, para tayong naglalayag sa dagat and sana yung hangin, no, pumabor sa atin. Yun yung parang wish natin dito sa scenario. In a married couple, in a relationship, separated couple, and third party, probably you're stressing on things as of the moment. Hindi tayo nakakapagtulog-tulog kasi medyo malaki-laki na rin ang ating investment. So we're crossing our fingers na sana magbago, no, yung ihip ng hangin, pumabor naman sa atin ang panahon, mabigyan tayo ng time, energy, effort, love, syempre, of course, no? Let's get some more cards in here. You're hoping, you're crossing your fingers that things may change because you already invested a lot and you want at least for this relationship to work. No, probably meron din tayo mga nasabi, but we don't really mean it, but because of the heightened situation, nasabi natin. The Seven of Pentacles, the Ace of Swords, and the Wheel of Fortune. Well, maganda yung mangyayari sa finances dahil I feel like hindi mo aakalain na maibabalik mo ito mas mabilis doon sa na-forecasting mo. So that's one good thing about this kasi I'm seeing success. Seven of Pentacles, well, meron pa rin mga konting pag-aantay pero the Wheel of Fortune actually signifies the whirlpool of fortune as if, the abundance is going to just land on your lap. So parang, uy, sinuwerte ako. So probably there's biglaan, no, na amount of money, lump sum of money that is para mapupunta sa'yo. Congratulations about that. When it comes to the career, yes, siguro we can, siguro sasabihin natin, me and my big mouth, no? Pero we can charge it to experience. I feel like kung ito naman, no, naghahanap ka na ngayon ng job, yung mapupuntahan mo actually is more of harmonious. Medyo mas maganda ang disposition, especially when it comes to money pa rin. Kaya ka nga naghahanap ng trabaho, no? Apart from sana mas maayos yung environment, no? Or walang politika, or um, makakasundo mo, bonus pa rin, kasi matatawag natin bonus kasi medyo mas malaki ang makukuha nating salary, no? Or yeah, ang ating job order, no, doon sa ating pipirmahan is makikita natin maganda yung salary at medyo mas malaki doon sa inalisan natin. When it comes to relationships, singles, I feel like okay lang naman kung magkaroon ka ng bataas na standards. But also, those standards needs to meet the reality, no? Baka mamaya, hindi ko sinasabing imposible, pero, baka mamaya meron tayong specific na tao, no? Kunyari si Jungkook, ayan, gusto ko siya maging asawa. Well, hindi ko sinasabing hindi siya posible. Pero, if hindi, wala ka naman din ginagawa, no, for them, no, to notice you. Medyo let's drag the situation, our situation, no. Let's ground ourselves to the reality. Sa mga crushes, no labels, I feel like medyo habaan nyo pa yung konting pasensya because it felt like mapupunta ito into something committed, pero it may take time, no? In a relationship, a married couple, I feel like maayos naman ito, especially doon sa may mga issues when it comes to money. Separated couples, I feel like dahil napakaganda ng flow, magkakaroon naman ng harmony between you and your person. And I think that that's the start for the both of you to either be civil, kung hanggang dun lang, if that's what you want, or continue the relationship and, probably fix things because this is also possible. The Ace of Swords signifies victory, no? Third party situation, so I feel like medyo sa atin, mapupunta ngayon ang time, energy, effort. So, take advantage of that, no? Let's get some more cards here or message from the universe. Slow down and take your time. There is no need to rush everything. You are already doing your part. Trust what belongs in your life is already making its way towards you in divine timing. So, I feel like these things happen for a reason. It may sound cliche, no? Kasi, lagi na lang natin naririnig yan. Happen for a reason. We don't know the reason while we are on the process, pero in time, malalaman natin, kaya pala yun nangyari. And I think you are also destined, especially dun sa mga may mga work issues, learning experience, maturity, professionalism is going to teach you. But then again, that's your growth. And it's a win-win situation because you're growing. If you're going to look at it in a different perspective, check the silver linings, I feel like mas makikita mo yung, okay, dahil sa nangyaring yun, magiging mature ako dito. And fortunately, no, maganda yung aking napasukan. So, at least hindi ko na ito gagawin uli, no? So, this is your reading. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Pero bago po yan, I want you to know na sa kabilang channel po, Babaylan TV, doon po tayo nagla-live, no? So, check the videos or join the live sessions, you're very welcome to do so. Kung hindi nyo maabutan, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa ating comment section as long as yung question po is answerable by yes or no. Pero kung hindi po kayo papatulogin ng yes or no na sagot, dumiretso na po kayo dun sa ating website. No? Sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per questions for your reference. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 dahil discounted po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. So, let's check your zodiac sign, Leo, or the zodiac sign of your person. Now, this can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I'm seeing Sagittarius, Taurus, Aquarius, Virgo, Capricorn, Leo. Yeah, so this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste, and know that you are appreciated. Goodbye.